Hey guys, this is Anish Nimalkanti. I'm a second year graduate student studying Masters in Data Science, and this is my codebook presentation. So, the topic I chose for this presentation is reducing global warming by tracking carbon footprint. So, global warming has a huge impact on our environment. It is directly responsible for rising of sea levels, climate change, and these things have a huge impact on people's lives. But how can tracking of carbon footprints help reduce global warming? The users who are interested in reducing their carbon footprint can use this database to track their daily day-to-day lives. And at the end of the week or a month, they can see how which aspects of their lives are causing more damage to the environment and take the necessary steps to reduce the things and be more global friendly and reduce global warming. For the creation of this codebook, I took data elements from various aspects of users' daily life. So I took users' information, their use of transportation method, their energy consumption, their water consumption, their waste management, and their dietary and environmental practices. So there is a user ID variable, age, gender, location, the household size, which means the number of people in it, comes under user information, and what type of the vehicle they own, like motorcycle, car, etc., and the number of miles they driven per month, and the type of fuel they use, whether it's electric or gas or diesel, and also the source of energy, which includes like are they using solar, renewable energy sources, or like coal, gas, which are non-renewable energy sources, which tracks that, and like the monthly energy consumption of the house comes under energy consumption, and how much energy do they renewable energy do they use, like it's a boolean type, yes or no. In water usage, we see the amount of water used by the user on a monthly basis in gallons. On food wastage, we see the amount of food wasted by the user on a monthly basis in pounds, and we track if the user is composting, so even if they are being wasteful, are they being sustainable about it. And in the recycling frequency, we can see how often does the user recycle, so we could suggest them if they're not being very often about recycling. And we also track the recyclable and non-recyclable waste produced by the user on a monthly basis, and we also record their diet type, so if they are vegetarian, non-vegetarian, or pescatarian, etc., and if they are non-vegetarian, we track the amount of meat they consume on a monthly basis, and we also track the number of flights they taken in the past 12 months, and how often do they use public transportation, and the amount they spend on carbon offset purchases to be like more economic, environment friendly, and to reduce the carbon footprints. And we also track how seriously do they take the environmental issues, and we see the frequency of the greenhouse product purchases that they do, and we also track the amount of carbon footprint produced by the user in a year. I selected these data elements because I think they capture most of the user's life, where they produce majority of the carbon footprint, and it also includes the consumption habits and lifestyle choices, like like the frequency of the recycling, or the frequency of the mode of transportation, which can be like provide insight into the behavior, which can be easily modifiable. And the relation to my final project is that it is a like starting step to like develop a more personalized carbon footprint tracking system, and I also think it could be like able to customize recommendations for reducing carbon emission based on the user data. Thank you.